Here's a very quick tutorial on how you can boost Roblox FPS for low-end PC. First, open up your computer search and just load up the Roblox player. Search for it and open it up. After you have opened it up, the second thing we need to do is again go to our computer search and this time search for Task Manager and click on this app right here. So you should find your Roblox game, right click on it and then click on Go to Details. Now this is our Roblox game. If we want to boost the FPS, all we have to do is right click on it, hover over Set Priority and then change this to High. It will give you a warning here and just simply click on Change Priority. And after we have done this, just make sure this is set, so it is set to high. So now we should get more FPS when playing Roblox. I hope this was useful. Make sure to like and sub if it was, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.